In this video, guys, I will show with you step by step how to log in Hana Bank Global on South Korea. So guys, go to Google search for this website. As you can see here, go to Hana Bank South Korea, click the first result, and then click on login option. When you click on login option, you see this page. From here, you have two options here. Just here, guys, write your ID and password. From here, guys, you see this page, click on login and then wait to process option, and then guys you will see write your ID and your password. For example, this is my ID and password. Click login, just easy steps, and click confirm. From the same thing, guys, on the app, search for Hana Bank South Korea app and then click on the first result. After that, download the app and you can use this and easily without any problems. So guys, I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget to give like